Hey, we're heading out. We're gonna go see some dinosaurs, aren't we?
Stegosaurus mini. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! No.
Holy Jesus, this one's gonna get us.
Yeah!
Look out, you guys.
That one's gonna eat us.
Holy crap! Velociraptor. No, they're velociraptors eating this one. That's not right.
Rude. Hello, coming at you from the floor of my office. I've got a wicked headache that just crept up on me. It feels like tension because it's kind of at the back of my head. They always surprise me. I think I didn't wear my glasses enough yesterday. I felt like my eyes were pretty tired at the end of the day. Anyway, long story short, I got a headache. So I have popped 2 Advil. I'm drinking a ton of water, and now I'm just rolling out my upper back in hopes that it'll release some of the tension.
Look how cute these shorts are, Mom.
Very cute.
I love them.
Esme's gonna be giving
Honey
our
a bath.
stinky dog a bath.
Because she smells like a sewage city.
She is. She's like the mayor of Sewage City. I was rolling it out for a few minutes, and I heard a couple pop, pop, pop down my back. So that's always nice. Sometimes it happens, right? It creeps up on you. I haven't worked out though in like 2 days, and maybe that's part of it. But when you got deadlines, I mean, you got to prioritize, right? And sometimes working out. Anyway, we will recover. We will recover. Hi, me again. So the headache definitely feels better, but I got a nice heating pad right now, and I'm sipping some tea, and I've taken 2 breaks, obviously lunch, and I just thought, let me just get my eyes off my computer. So I did that. And then I had a little dance break in the kitchen while I was making my tea. But work's going well. It's beautiful outside, so I am definitely going to make some time for a walk in a little bit. Sometimes the bucket of like things that you get to in a day isn't ideal. Yeah, it'd be better if I got a workout in. Maybe I still will. But Jack has Kung Fu tonight, and so there will be a little bit of running around. That's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. And I know that a lot of you guys are working parents, and you get it. Like, it's work and it's around the clock, and sometimes you're feeling a little rough, and that's just the way she goes, you know? So we're all in this together. Good morning. Okay. I woke up this morning feeling light and airy and deadlines completed, and it just feels real nice. I find it goes like that in this industry. It's like busy, and then it quiets down. Busy, and it quiets down. Just finished a busy spell. I'm looking forward to doing things not in a rush today. So, a workout, it's sunny. I'd love to go for a nice walk with my kids. They did a huge day of homeschool yesterday, or distance learning or whatever, and so I'd love to do that again today, but like be part of it or something, you know? Feels really nice. Also, I'm kind of on this little mission right now where I'm adding little cozy elements to my home, like non-functional things. What? I picked up that tree. And I just ordered a basket that goes on the bottom. Add a little, you know, decorative flair. And there was a great comment on my last video about discussing a person who purchases things like secondhand or used or thrifted as frugal. This person said, you know, it's not a bad thing to buy secondhand. In fact, so many people do it. And I was like, you know what, you're right. I almost felt like I was having to explain myself. Sometimes when you are constantly looking at shiny, sparkly new things on Instagram, is kind of where I see it. A person starts to think that in order for their house to be lovely and finished or something, that it all has to be new. And that is a true misconception. There are many ways to do life. I've been waiting for this purchase, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So excited. Ta-da! I get so excited about tech products. I'm literally like giddy. So I just got myself a new vlogging camera. Here's the story. This current camera that you're watching the footage on right now is a camera I bought like 6 years ago or more, which is a really long time for cameras. Like phones, they get updated really quick. And the biggest problem with this camera is the stabilization. You cannot vlog with it. This is a Sony that you're watching this on. This is a Sony a5100. We're gonna talk tech for like 2 minutes, so just bear with me. It's a great camera. It served me well. It takes beautiful pictures. If you're more into photos, it's a wonderful camera. But Vlogging on the go, it doesn't really work. 4 years ago, I bought a camera and it's a Sony RX100 Mark V. So that's 4 years ago. I've had one problem with it in that, first of all, it's a very high-tech camera. It can do 4K, it does all sorts of amazing things, takes beautiful footage. I loved it. And it, for me at the time, why it made sense is that I was upgrading from this camera and I was also upgrading from a DSLR. And so that Sony kind of did both. It was like this hybrid. It would, you know, do higher end footage like a DSLR would, and then point and shoot like this one. Kind of fit all the boxes, right? Then as my channel grew and I started to invest more in some of my, you know, equipment, I realized that this, I think it was early this year, was it late last year? Times get blurry. Maybe it was late last year. In any case, I picked up a DSLR, so I went and I got a Canon 80D. It's beautiful. So that's when you see more of my sit-down dedicated videos with Dean. The footage, the quality is just, oh my goodness, it's beautiful, as you would expect from a DSLR. It's a bigger sensor, it's like incredible. Then, like 8 weeks ago, my point and shoot, my Sony RX100 Mark V, oh, this is a lot of tech stuff, but just bear with me. It has this problem where the shutter opens and closes, and it does it while filming. And I had it fixed once before, and I bought the extra warranty, which I always do with cameras, more often than not. So I bought the extra warranty anyway, and I had to send it away to get fixed, no problem. Well, the same problem came up again, and I sent it away 8 weeks ago to get repaired. And what happened 8 weeks ago? I basically stopped vlogging because I didn't have my camera anymore, and this one's terrible to walk around town with. Long story short, it is still in the shop with no end date in sight. So I decided I'm over it. I'm gonna sell that camera probably because it's a beautiful camera. It still works really well. And this one, I watched a bunch of reviews. So this is a Sony, what's it called? ZV1, and it comes with all of this great stuff, and I even bought the extra piece, which is like the little handheld tripod. It is like specifically made for vloggers. I am legit so excited. Should we open it together? You're getting an unboxing. And so here's the box, Sony ZV1. ZV1? One or the other. Comes with a dead cat, which is what you put, this is what it's called. And that sits on your camera, and it protects against wind when you're walking around town. You've got the cord. This particular camera actually doesn't come with a separate battery charger, and to be honest, I'm not mad about it because I, like probably many vloggers, just plug my camera into this and into a USB, and it charges direct on the camera. Oh my gosh. Hello, beautiful. This is the first of its kind. Sony, what? All Sony cameras flip up, which is okay, but the problem with all Sony cameras is you weren't able to add an external microphone. You can add an external mic to this. And this little guy sits right on the top. This is incredible. So as a creator, to be able to see what you're shooting is essential. Oh my gosh, here's another thing that's super exciting with this. It's got a button on the top. I'm not exactly sure which button, but when you push it, it defocuses the background. Are you kidding me? This is the good stuff. You know what, it's just gonna up my vlogging game. Here's the second part of what I purchased. It was in another box. It's called the Vlogger Kit. You kind of see here what it does on the side. I've been making content on the internet for 8 years. More than that now, actually. Oh, well then. Got an extra, I love me some memory cards. Yeah, I've been making content for a really long time, and what I try to do is, as time goes on, I buy better equipment. It's never my goal to be like the world's biggest mommy vlogger. I mean, I would take that title. I want the experience to be enjoyable for you. I want you to feel like it's good quality content in terms of what I'm delivering, but also how it's delivered, you know? So I'm charging the camera, which means probably the next couple clips are gonna be my brand new camera. Woo! Treat yourself, you know what I mean? Some of us go do like a big fashion haul. Some of us buy new cameras, whatever floats your boat. This is the new camera. We're walking around testing the camera.
And my new hat.
Look who got a cute new hat. Isn't she just so cute? This is delightful. Oh, I'm so excited. Cameras make me happy. Do, 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 Hey kid, looking so cute.
I've been resting the gingerbread cookies.
Look at us in our little matching hats. Okay, backyard. So I was just shooting some content today. And I mean, how often are we both looking so cute, all dressed up, hair looking fierce? We're gonna do a little photo shoot.
I'm gonna show them something simple and then I'm gonna show them something harder. So
Oh. Wow.
now I'm gonna do something harder. Mom, look over there at the, there.
Okay, I'm looking.
That's our beanbag. Oh, I'm not done.
Well, Looney Tune. Okay, it has been a busy and productive day. Shot a bunch of content for some projects coming up. Got a bunch of mail, but also, oh my God, office is just, it's a disaster. So here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna do like a 5-minute tidy, like I always tell my kids. Let's do it. Not bad. Look at that. I even had a nice chat with my mum. I often like to call people when I'm doing tasks like that because it's 2 for 1, right? A little visit, a little update. Let's set the table. Ooh, it smells good in here. Friday night dinner with a little cheers. We only had a little bit of that pasta and a little bit of that pasta, so Dad mixed the two. Chef Dean. Ooh wee. Delish. Hey, we're heading out. We're gonna go see some dinosaurs, aren't we?
It's at nighttime, by the way.
Dinosaur drive-through.
Yeah.
See how it goes.
Stegosaurus mini. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God!
Holy Jesus, this one's gonna get us.
Yeah!
Look out, you guys.
That one's gonna eat us.
Holy crap! This
guys-
is called Iguanodon. No, they're velociraptors eating this one. That's not right.
Rude. We meet again so late at night, about 11:45. Had a really nice day with the fam. It was like a good balance of family and work stuff. And then I realized that I actually have a video that I want to put out tomorrow. So I'm gonna edit that real quick. But you know when you end up on Instagram, I fell down some rabbit hole learning about Drake's little son and who the mom was. Like, I don't even know how I ended up there. Anyway, I'm gonna get to this, and then I'm gonna get to bed, and I'm pumped because tomorrow morning I'm actually going on a hike with some friends. Hike and a coffee date, and I'm really needing a little bit of separation from home and family. It's a lot of togetherness, but it's been a little busy, so I've been like in my office a lot, and I'm realizing that there is definitely a bit of lacking in the department of hobbies. I gotta like figure that out. Should I take up a musical instrument? Should I take up painting? Being creative and doing something just to do it? I don't really have that right now. I'll let you know when I figure it out. Such a pretty day. Look at my friends.
Not once with me.
We're all walking, talking shit, hiking, beautiful scenery. Dean is in the middle of making a frame actually for a friend of ours. And I am doing some yard work. I had a really nice morning walk with my friends, and I love when I have time to do things around my house. Owning a home means some work. It feels good to get it done. Time to put up the pumpkin head guy. I'm tired. I've been doing yard work for the last 4 hours. I'm getting hungry. But we cannot miss another night without our pumpkin head guy, and the kids are gonna love it. So let's do it. There he is, creepy pumpkin head. He's doing his thing. So Dean made these today for our neighbor. She's an artist and she sold 2 pieces. How nice is he, first of all, to make that? And how talented is he? It's just ridiculous. I gotta tell you too, I find it incredibly attractive when he's working on projects. When your partner is feeling fulfilled and has purpose, incredibly attractive. It's a strong aphrodisiac, just saying. Just what I needed after a big day in the yard. Cheers to a Saturday well spent. We're gonna play a game of Clue. Okay, let's play a game and see who's gonna win. Jack and Mama or Esme? Dun dun dun.
Nora, come here.
We'll see. On Sunday, and we're just getting stuff done. Laundry, tidying up, switching over kids' clothes. I'm putting some winter bedding on some of the beds. Trusty X-Acto knife. Boxes, Time to take them apart.
Oh, hello, I love you.
Well, hello. I'm walking into the yard. It's starting to rain a bit because a whole bunch of stuff that my kids have just left in the yard. Let's do a little walk and talk. We're wrapping up the weekend. I feel like today I just had a very quiet, lazy, well, I say lazy, but I did all of the laundry, put it all away, vacuumed the whole house, tidied, just getting to all the weekend things, which felt nice, but I feel like I'm struggling and working on my ability to be okay with rest. I'm really not good with rest. When I do try to rest, even on days where a person would say you were very productive, I don't know, it's a thing. I think a lot of us, if you struggle with it, you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, we're a work in progress at times, aren't we? Dean's making some dinner right now, thinking about having a glass of wine and maybe a board game with my kids. They're quite enjoying that right now, and I'm enjoying the fun. I hope you guys had a really nice weekend. And I guess as you're watching this, you're heading into your weekend, so I hope you have a good weekend ahead. And I thank you so much for being here and for subscribing and joining me on this journey, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys!